my last day in Koh Tao. It's 9 AM and I need to check out 10 AM. I need to start packing. I like to use these packing cubes to sort my clothes. I keep one for shirts, one for pants, one for underwear and socks, and another one for dirty laundry. It makes it easier when you need to do laundry. You just take the laundry bag to the laundry place. See how these packing cubes work? I just roll up my clothes like this and then close the zipper. Then it's nice and compressed and sorted. Just to show you, this is all the clothes I'm traveling with. Okay, now just my laptop and my camera stuff, then I'm ready to go. These straps are very handy to keep your cables together. You just pull them up and then it locks with Velcro. Also, another thing, I like to keep this bag very light. I put all my clothes and stuff in this bag so it's easier when I go on a boat or a bus, and I know I can keep all my expensive stuff I can keep with me. Okay, ready to check out. I always hate checking out because I keep on thinking I'm gonna forget something. So I spend at least like 20 minutes looking over the room trying to find something that I may have missed. Okay, now I'm ready to check out. Bags ready. Check the entire room. Let's go. Oh, wanna check out? 35.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
Pungkap. Thank you. Lots of jam. I got around a 25-minute walk to the pier. I'm not even sure when it's time that the piers are leaving, so let's check it. If I ever need to walk far, I just carry my bag on my backpack like this. It just feels like an extra big backpack. So I bought a ticket to Koh Pha Ngan. It's only leaving at like 3 PM and it's 11 AM right now, so got some time to kill. So I'm sitting on the swing just chilling. Everywhere was like 500 baht and I got it for 450 baht, and I hope like it's not a scam or something. It's 1:30 PM, 2.5 hours left before the ferry goes, so I'm gonna get lunch and something to drink. A good old 7-Eleven burger. Heading to the pier now. Is it supposed to be making that sound? Okay, made it to Koh Pha Ngan. Now I just need to get to my accommodation. can't get drunk. Okay, so I just checked in. This place is not as... I can probably take this off now. This place is not as great as the previous place I stayed in, but it's well within my budget. Now for the quick tour. Okay, that's the room. No, I'm joking. I will show you. Seriously, it's not that big. One bed, there's another bed. Space quite clever. I can put some stuff underneath here. Toilet, shower, wash basin. Ooh, a lot of soap. I like that. Okay, water, toilet paper, glass, and that's about it. I kind of slipped up and started looking for a place till late. I actually only booked this last night, but there is something else I can show you. It's very close to the beach. You see the beach is right over there. There's the beach. So that's a big plus, I guess. That's all I really need. I messed up. Started editing and I didn't film anything, and I missed the sunset, but just check what's going on outside. They're setting up. Like the restaurants and stuff are setting up on the beach. I think this is where they host the full moon party, but it's not full moon right now, so luckily it's quiet. And that's also kind of why I came here, because I wanted to skip the crowd. Anyway, I'm gonna end this video here. Hit that like button if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Then I guess I'll see you tomorrow.